Welcome to Getting Started at u.osu.edu. Let's do it. U.osu is the university's easy-to-use professional website platform. Share your work and explore sites from throughout the Ohio State community. U.osu provides web space to support professional and educational activities at The Ohio State University. Students, faculty, and staff use it to share independent work, host course assignments, enhance project visibility, communicate within groups, and represent their organizations. OSU faculty, staff, and students may activate multiple professional sites on u.osu. Each site provides a URL of u.osu.edu and a unique username, and 10 gigabytes of space for your content. If this is your first time visiting the site, you can begin by returning to the main page and clicking Sign Up. The Terms and Conditions page will appear the first time you log into the site. If you agree to these terms, click Accept. At the login page, type your name, number, and university password. Then click Login. Your first site, u.osu.edu/name.number, has been automatically created, and you can now begin to manage and post to your site. With this site, it is possible to create a portfolio of your work. The site by default is set up to be a blog. However, it's very simple to change it to a static website with an anchor page for starters. You can then add pages and menu items to include various things that you want to post. These are easy for the reader to navigate in the menu. u.osu.edu also provides 3 default themes at this point for you to use in your website. How to choose those themes is very easy. First, you would go to the dashboard, and then on the left-hand side, you would go down to the Appearance menu item. Click on Appearance, and then you will see Themes. Click on Themes, and then you can choose from these 3 default themes for your web page. Just click on the theme, and it will be applied. If you want to customize your theme, they also offer the option to customize here on the menu as well. There are a couple of ways to change the title and the tagline of your website. The first one would be to go to the dashboard, and then in the dashboard you can just directly click on the title, which would then give you a page where you can actually change the site title and the tagline. The other way would be to go down to the Settings menu, and then just under General, it will give you that same page where you can change the site title and tagline. So if I change the title to and then save it, you can now see, if I visit my site, it is now called My Page. When you are creating your web page, the first thing you need to do is to create the pages. So here in the dashboard, the easiest way to do that would be to go up here to the New menu and add a page. The first page that we would want would be something that would be about me. You don't need to write the content down here yet, but just save the page. Click on Publish. Let's add another page here for a future assignment. And let's call this one Photo Reflection Project. Here too, we don't need to publish this yet, but we can edit that in the future. Let's add another one. According to the syllabus, we are also going to have a group project. Add that one as well. And finally, there will be, according to the syllabus, I'm going to add one more, a plagiarism project. Let me get the spelling right. And again, we don't need to add content for that either, and we would publish that. Now, if we go here to the pages, we can see what all of our pages are. You can see that we have About Me, Group Project, Photo Reflection Project, and Plagiarism Project. But these are not yet in our menu. To put these in our menu, you would go down to Appearance, and then Menus. Here, all of the pages show up on the left-hand side, and so we would select all of them, and we would add them to the menu. These are not in the correct order, however. I want the About Me to be the first place, so I would drag it up here. I want the Photo Reflection to be second, drag it to below About Me, and then the Group Project would be next. Not in the subcategory, but over there. And then also the Plagiarism Project would be last. Make sure that this primary menu item is checked before you save it, and then save the menu. One more thing you need to do to make sure that this is a web page starting with your About Me is go down to the Settings, and then go to the Reading. In this one, you want to make sure that it is a static web page. It's not a posting page for blogs. And then the static web page, which means that it is a permanent web page, the front page, we want it to be the About Me, so that when the user clicks on it, they will see the About Me page first of all. We don't want a postings page at this point, so we're not going to select anything. And then save changes. Now, if we go to visit the page and visit site, you can see that our menu will be down here. The first page, About Me, is first, Photo Reflection is second, and Group Project third, and Plagiarism Project is fourth. Sometimes when you are wanting to embed certain things like a YouTube video or a Creative Commons license or various things into your web page, the pages that you go to will provide those embedded codes. These can be inserted in this way. First, if we go to the Creative Commons site and we want to choose a particular license that we want for our web page, they ask us to choose certain things here, and then we can put in some more information here, and then finally they give us this embedded code that we can copy and then go back to our dashboard, and we can edit our page, visit the site, and then we're going to edit this page. Here I have a simple thing about me. Here's my text, here's my picture, and then I want to put my Creative Commons license down here below this last line. So I would edit the page, and then here you can see everything that is on the page. I want to click on this text option, and I would go down to the last line where I have, here is my Creative Commons license, and here underneath this is where I want to put it. So I paste it here, and there's all of the code for that embedded license. Then make sure that you update it. You can double check it here again if you want to go back to the visual. You can see that the license is there underneath. Here is my Creative Commons license, or you can also go to visit your site can see that the embedded item is now a part of your page right here. You can also do this with YouTube videos and other embedded items. Another thing that you want to set on your web page are the users that are able to access your page. To do this, you would go to the dashboard, and then down on the left-hand side you would click on Settings. Under Settings you have a subheading called Reading, so click on that. And this is the page that we went to set your static web page, and we wanted our first page to be about me. Now if we go down to the bottom of this page, we have a section called Site Visibility. That is where you will set your access to users who can access your page. The first two options right here allow search engines to index or discourage them from indexing. Both of these options actually are open to anybody and everybody to see your site. The one that we recommend for students here would be visitors must have a login. Anyone that is a registered user of u.osu.edu can gain access. The next option here would be people that you have chosen who are users of your blog. And then the next one is administrators only can visit it. And the last one, you could make a password and provide that password to only the people that you want to visit your site. And then don't forget to save your changes.